Mr. Snuffles wants you to push the button. Push the button. It would really make Mr. Snuffles happy if you pushed the button. Come on, man, it's right there. Just push the button. Don't be a tease, just give it a click. No, the other button. That's the one you just clicked. That's the one. That's... Stop. That's not the button. That's the lever. Oh, so close. Push the button. That's the spring. Push the button. That's the toilet. That's the baby. Now look what you've done. It's crying. I hate my job.